Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vatsalya from NRI Institute of Technology. So, today my topic is about Blue Eye technology. So, first of all, what is Blue? Blue means here Bluetooth connection, I means eye movement, T for technology, that is a technique. So, Blue Eye technology, a new arrival from AI. So, by using this, we have so many human made applications for our purpose. Next, do you think that it is possible to create a machine which can interact with human being? Yes, it is possible through Blue Eye technology. So Blue Eye technology will sense the human senses and it will react to the human reactions. So here we have to know first the main difference between humans and machines. So nothing but feelings. So machines can't feel or sense, but humans can feel and sense, and this is the main difference. So here what happens? So as machines don't feel any feelings, it is possible through Blue Eye technology that even machine can feel the human senses. So that is the new arrival that can overcome so many applications that are needed to the human beings. So next, coming to what is Blue Eye technology? Blue Eye technology is a design used by a machine which can understand the human emotion, human perception and human expression. So the machine can analyze the human senses when they breathe, their temperature, their eye sensing. So because on that, it will give a brief information. It gives the even what the human feeling inside, it will give a brief information on the feelings. So to build such a machine, we use Blue Eye technology. So first of all, we have to know what is the term blue eyes. Blue in terms stands for Bluetooth. So in Blue Eye technology, we will use Bluetooth, which is well known to us, which we will use in our daily basis. So it will enables the reliable wireless communication. Coming to eyes, so based on the eye movement, it enables us a lot of interesting and a lot of information that the machine can capture lot of information from our eye movement, and it will give the information what's happening and what the human is thinking about which perspective, the moods of the humans. So next, coming to the emotional computing. So emotional computing is a very important in Blue Eye technology and eye for technology. So the name itself mention eye. So by using the eye movement, eye senses, the machine will gather a lot of information about the humans, what their feelings, their mood swings, their temperature and body pressure. So an eye for technology. When hands won't work, a new technology tracks eye for computer operations. So as you see this in poster, eyes don't lie. The machine will capture the pupil. It will take the exact picture of that, and it will, by using the Blue Eye technology, it will take the information from the neurons and it will give the absolute information what human feeling inside, his expression and his temperature, etc. So it is a process to read people with neuro-linguistic programming. So it is absolutely related to neuro-linguistic programming, which is also a part in AI technology. So now let us know about how Blue Eye technology internally works. So here we will have two units, data acquisition unit and central system unit. So in data acquisition system, we will have Bluetooth. So the Bluetooth will take the information from the microcontroller. It will transform this exact signals from data acquisition to central system unit. So that signals will be worked with the trained model. In connection manager, it will collect all the signals and it will connect with different operations, and it will visualize the information about what it is, and then it will analyze with previous data and it will give a exact information. So next we will discuss about DAU. So DAU consists of the following components, that is ATMEL 8952 microcontroller, So it will take all the signals and it will reach every signal. Next, Bluetooth module that supports synchronous voice, central system sound feedback, alphanumeric LCD display, LED indicators, ID card interface. So now we will see the DAU features. So here you can see the picture, data acquisition unit. So ATMEL microcontroller, it will take the signals and it will divide the signals in their perspective. By using JAR's multi-sensor, it will sense what is the real expression of that particular signal and it will send to Bluetooth. So here we will see the features. DAU features are lightweight, it runs on batteries, low power consumption, easy to use, and it does not disturb the operator working. So here ID cards for operator authorization. So here we can use ID cards also, and voice transmission using hardware PCM codec. So next we will see CSU components. So in CSU first we will have connection manager. So the main task of connection manager is to perform low level Bluetooth communication. So here in two components we will have Bluetooth communication. Why low level Bluetooth communication? Because when the signals are transferred, they will have a different levels of frequency. To control that frequency, we have to manage low level Bluetooth communication. Next is data analysis module. So in this particular module, it will analyze the raw sensor data. So here the sensors will sense the signals, what that particular signal have, what the expression or what the data it have, it will sense that. Next, data logger module. It provides the support the storing the monitored data. Monitored data means the data which the signals had given, and it will analyze with previous trained data and it will monitor all the data and it will store. Next, visualization module. Visualization module gives the user interface for the supervisors. Why? Because here it plays an interface role. It will visualize every signal, every data which is already monitored. So next we will discuss about CSU features. So in central system unit we will have connection management, data processing, data recording, access verification and system maintenance. Connection management. Connection management means it will connect from central unit to different units to manage the data and to manage the signals which passes through the Bluetooth. Next, coming to data processing. So here the signals or the data which is coming from the Bluetooth, they will process the data, they will divide the data. If there is any noisy data, they will remove that. Next, data recording. So here comes main task. They will remove the noisy data which is unnecessary for the upcoming output data. Next, access verification. So whatever data that we had input signals have given to that, they will access every point to pin and they will give an access verification code for them and they can process to next process. Next, system maintenance. So here in system maintenance, it will check every element or every component in a particular central system unit is working properly or not. Next, coming to what are the technologies that are used in AI. First one, emotional mouse. So emotional mouse is a device. It will tell whether the person is in a cool mood or in a shaking or touching. It will sense the mood swings of the person. First of all, we have to keep our hand on particular emotional mouse. So because of touching sense, that mouse will give the output in the system. Either the person is in angry, emotional or happy. So it is a very good application. Next, coming to manual and gauge input cascade magic. So here it will reduce the cursor movement needed for the target selection. First we will have one computer and a person will sit here. So it will connect to our eye. It will take the picture of our iris and the pupil and it will take all the data from that. It will collect the data from that and it will reduce the cursor movement needed for the target selection. It will choose the target and it will give the output. So here in this image, that computer could move the cursor by the direction of the user's eye. So according to our eye direction, how we are placing, that the cursor will move. So this is another application. Next, coming to artificial intelligence speech recognition. So In AI technology, main important theme is voice recognition. So at present nowadays we are using Google search, right? We will have voice search. So we can say anything in immediately in seconds we will get the output in particular Google search. So here in by using blue eye technology also, it recognizes the human voice. First it will convert into text format, next it will go for searching option, next it will choose the data and it will match with the previous data what we have, then it will combine both of that and it will give the accurate output. So next, coming to simple user internet tracker. This is a suitor. So this is a machine that we have to keep on our forehead. So it will help by fetching information at desktop. Even when we are sit before any computer, when we are keeping that particular machine, it can fetch the information at desktop. And next main, it will notice the user's eye focus, how we are facing to the desktop onto the computer screen. So here we will have a scrolling ticker on a computer screen which will give the information related to the user task. So let us take an example. So if we are reading, so we will place that simple user interest tracker on our forehead. We will sit before a laptop. So we will concentrate on the screen. So now let us take an example. So we are reading something on a laptop. We are reading some article. So it will pops up the story in the browser window immediately by using our eye movement. So what we are going to watch. So next one is the eye movement sensor. So it helps in senses human eye. So let us discuss about the data security in blue eye technology. So in every technology, data security is very important perspective. So here only registered mobile devices can connected to the system. So in blue eye technology, so which devices, electric or laptops, mobiles or anything which are connected to the particular system will be connected. No other third party can hack or they can use a particular app. Next, Bluetooth connection authentication, Bluetooth connection encryption. As you know all about Bluetooth encryption authentication is very important. We have to maintain those. Next, we will have access right restrictions and personal and psychological data encryption is also available. So let us discuss about the various applications of blue eye technology. So in every working environment requiring permanent operators attention, we will use in aeronautics, even in restaurants also. By using blue eye technology, they are sensing what the customers need to eat. So for example, let us take an example. A restaurant is there, some cakes or pastry starting only they have kept that. One shale arrived, so he immediately his eyes on that pastry. So by using that particular technique, blue eye technology, the restaurant staff will get a clarity that in what the customers are interested in, what dishes. So in that particular area also blue eye technology is used, and it is also used in video games, automobile industry, flight control centers, as I said that in aeronautics, in power stations, like that. And it will provide security and controlling the machines also in when we are making any machine learning models. So next, coming to the conclusion, so in the future, even in ordinary household devices such as televisions, refrigerators and ovens also, they may be able to do their jobs their own, and it is also through blue eye technology. And blue eye technology will provide more delicate and user-friendly facilities on computer devices. So there is a gap between electronic and physical world is reduced because of this huge rapid AI technology. And computer can be run using implicit commands instead of explicit commands. So it is a very good advantage for the humans to get their needs. Thank you.